Well, these are Sugar Baby's babies. Hope everybody had a good Mother's Day yesterday. It was very hectic around here this weekend with visiting and puppies going home and Mother's Day, and quite busy. This is Mr. Bates. Hey, baby. Don't go in there, then we can't see you. Come here. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. There you are. Are you going to take a nap? You're going to take a little nap? Hmm? Handsome boy. Handsome boy. And Holly, this is Spice. Spice, hey little girl. Hey, look at me. There's that face. Whoops. There's that sister in that face. Let me see. Let me see. Hey. Okay, Izzy, let everybody else be in the picture. Let everybody else be in the picture, Izzy. And this is Rosa. Rosa Lee. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, I know. I know. I know. It's a shame, isn't it? It's a shame. Okay, Izzy, come here. There you are. There you are. The others are in the other side. I took these out so we could have pictures, better pictures of them. The others are over there making all the noise. Yeah, they're making all the noise. Oh, you looking? Yeah, you know I had that open, huh? Yeah, and y'all were going back and forth, back and forth. Yep, say we're still a Sugar Baby, but we're out here some too so we can play. She's still going to have us for probably another week. Yeah. And we're sitting in the bowl. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. They had this opened, and they sort of know it, and now they want to come through there, and they're very upset with me. Very upset with me. Okay, well, I hope y'all enjoyed, and hope you're having a nice day.